Hi, my name is David Toll, and I'm the marketing manager for AirPro Fan and Blower Company. And I've just attended a 2-day workshop here in Chicago on CRM Plus. We implemented Zoho CRM Plus about 1.5 years ago, and have worked with some consultants figuring out how to implement it. And this workshop has been great after we've been using it now for a while. Have some exposure, we've been able to come attend with a list of questions, things that we've been trying to figure out and get answers. And whether it's on how to use social and CRM, learn some things there. Also learn how to automate processes that we've been having to do manually. So looking at functions we can take from 3 or 4 people and now use CRM to automate it. So very excited to go back and implement some of what we've learned.